communication and culture. 1. Listen to Hung's opinions about online friends. Answer the questions.
Well, there are many advantages of having online friends. First, they can be anywhere in the world, so I can learn about different cultures and lifestyles. Distance does not matter, as all I need is a computer. Second, I can contact them whenever I wish, as long as they are online, and I can end the conversation easily when I have other things to do. What's more, I can save a lot of money as there'll be no dinners, parties or get-togethers. I don't have to spend money on things like food and drinks or cinema tickets. Most importantly, I can quickly end a relationship when I don't feel comfortable with the person anymore. The only thing I don't like about this kind of friendship is that sometimes I don't know for sure who these friends really are. They may not use their real names and post other people's photos.